Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. As usual in these reverse transformation videos, I'll be transforming this figure, fantastic model FM-03 Warhorse, the version of the G1 Autobot warrior Ironhide, going from his Nissan Vanette van mode back to his robot mode, which is how it comes out of the box. So let's get to it. Okay, so reverse transformation back to his robot mode. So where are we going to start? Okay, let's start from the front. Like that, and take this up and unclip that. Right, see that? Okay, just unclip that and bring that to the side. Rotate and bring it like that. See this? Fold this and bring it this facing like that. Okay. Gonna open up the door, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to rotate the window a little bit like that to loosen this up. Yeah, and then what you do, you just bring that around like that. Okay, but don't can I rotate the window down? Oh, I don't know, leave it like that for now. What else? Let's do the same thing on the other side. Let's go. Like so, and then just bring this down and have this facing that way. Yeah, open up the door, just bend the window slightly like that, and then to bring this up. Okay, so that's done. All right. Okay, here, pull this out, fold this up, 1, 2, 3. Same thing here, fold this up, and then just bring this out like so. Next, we're going to come back here. Yeah, use a spatula for this if you don't have long nails or if it's still too strong. But I've transformed this quite a few times, so which is why I can put my nail in here and bring this up. Okay, so with this up, start just flexing this out, pushing this out. Yeah, and this will all come undone. Okay, all right. From here, what I'm going to do, just let this all unravel out. Okay, I'm going to fold this in like that. Bring this forward, like so. See these? Bring this out, like that. Just rotate them 90 degrees, like so. And then what you're going to do, you're going to bring this right in. Now, if you look here, you can see there's a bit of obstruction. So what you got to do is just angle this in a certain way so that the armature can go past, like that. You see that? All right. Same thing here. Let's make sure. There you go. Yeah. So now that's in, like so. And just turn them in, like that. Oh, whoa, wait, hold on a second, hold on. Slide this up, slide it up, there you go. And slide this up. There you go. All right, so that's done. If you come back here, tab this in, there you go. That's done. Okay, keep that down. Hold on a second, what was that? No. Oh, I feel it's like that, it stays like that. Okay, extend this. Just put your fingers back here and here and extend this out. All right, and there's a couple of panels here. See this? See right here? Bring this in. 1, 2. Okay, and then bring this over like so. Just fold it on that double hinge like so. Let me show it like this. There you go. Done. All right, and then from here, what we're going to do, see this armature here, you see there's a slider here, slide it in. So just push this in like, come on, it's hard to get a bit of leverage. Let me put my finger about here, yeah, and then push. And I forgot to just unclip this, see that? Just unclip that, yeah, all right, and it's unclipped itself anyway. So just push this down. Let's go. There you go. All right, so you want that. All right, and then yeah, just bring this in. This bit here, you want to bring this underneath on its double hinge, like so. Bring this over, and there you have it. Yeah, that is all done. Okay, and then from here, rotate this forward like that, and then slide it back. There you go. Just lift it up slightly like that, and bring it all the way back and bring it down. There you go. Bring the arms to the side. There you go. And then you've got these little hooks here. That's gonna go into here, okay? So just bring it over just bring this over like that. Yeah, and just hook it in like that. There you go, done. All right. Next, the windows. I think, yeah, just bring the windows down now. Just bring them down. Over here, in here, bring this up. Bring these to the side. Okay. Then from here, yes, I remember what I said about here. Yeah, the obstruction is here. So, right, so just pinch this over. Yeah, don't worry about up here. Just pinch this over like so. Watch. Oh, hold on a second. Actually, put your hand here for support as well too. Go like that. There you go. All right. So it's just trying to get over that plastic over this plastic. Okay. And then rotate this around, and then bring this forward. Okay. Let me show you again. So let me show you real close. Watch this. Watch. There you go. All right, like that. Rotate this around. There you go. And just bring it forward. There you go. Like so. So that's done. Bring this back. Bring this up. Actually, leave it to the side for a moment. Bring this back like so. And make sure that's hooked in. Still hooked in. Like that. That's it. Yeah, that goes down like that. And then we want to lift up his head and just bring all this down like, there you go. And that fits in like that. Bring his head down. Okay, bring this together. Okay, and then the arms, see here? Bring this up. Yeah, you can see how this starts to fit this little shape here. See that? Okay, right, and then bring this up like so. I'm gonna bring it forward, rotate it, and then rotate it down. I'm not gonna clip it in yet, right? Because what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring this one up as well, like so, and here. Yeah, and I'm gonna use that as leverage, yeah, not this as leverage, because there's so much folding up going on here. I don't wanna squeeze and risk damaging things, so I'm using this as leverage. So I'm gonna focus on this arm here and push this in. Like, there you go, clicks in. Same here. Yeah, so I've got my hand here and pushed you in. There you go. Right, down, twist, hand out. This panel was all the way here. Bring this down, you're done. Yeah, that's one arm done. Same thing here, down, twist, here. Bring your fist forward, bring this panel down. Right, and there you go, everybody. That is the top half done. Let's do the bottom half. All right, so split the legs. Okay, I'm just gonna lift these up for now. All right, and then we're going to unhook here, unhook, and then just gonna bring this whole thing up. This bit, actually, this is tabbed in here. See that? See that slot and tab here? Just bring this up, yeah, and then bring this past it like that. Okay, bring it past it. Actually, I'll just do one leg and then I'll fast forward do the other. All right. Okay. So this whole thing, you're gonna rotate that like that, and then rotate again like that on two separate hinges. A hinge here and a hinge there. Okay. Right, so let's clean some things up. So the wheel tucks in like this. This tucks in like this. Bring this to a side. Bring this in. Then this comes over, I believe. Yes, that comes over. And this was like that. Hold on a second. Let me just bring this over. Bring this down. See this? Bring this down like that. And then put that together like so. All right, take this, bring this over like so, and this up as there you go. This up as well. All right, this little bit here, rotate this little red bit up like that, and just bring it up like that. That's going to be like the filler piece for the inside of the foot. This bit here, see this? Rotate it like this, 90 degrees this way, and the silver bit, rotate it down 90 degrees. There you are, done, all finished. Okay, and then the whole foot, let's keep that up, bring it up like that. Okay, all right. And if you look back here, the tail lights, there you go. Just fold that over, extend the leg like that. See this bit here? Unfold, bring this down. You've got this double hinge, it's on, bring it all the way down like so. Here, show it this side. Slide this up, actually, let me spring this out again, like that, that's it. Tuck this in, this panel in, like so. There's something else I'm missing. Oh, here. Bring this out, that's going to be the lock at the end. Bring this over, squeeze this in, okay, and bring the whole thing in like this. Yeah, let me just give my ankle tilt for a moment, get some more room. Yeah, and this is all going to come together. Yeah, you can see there's a little notch right here. Put that together like that. There you go. It all comes together. Take this bit, lock it down, and that's it, everyone. That is one leg all done. Let me put this butt flap down. Okay. And if you just give me a moment, I'll just do the other side, and then we're done. And there you have it. Just putting this together now. There you go. Here you are. Very nicely done. Very simple transformation. Okay, I know what some people are saying that it's difficult to transform. I don't know. I don't know. It's not difficult for me. It's very straightforward. Okay. All right. So there you have him. Okay. Fantastic model, Fans Toys. Their Warhorse, FM-03 Warhorse, their version of Ironhide, back in his robot mode. And a lovely robot mode he is. He really is. All right. So thank you very much for joining me. Okay, speed transformation will be next. All right. So join me for that. And yeah. So as usual, like, share, subscribe. Why not?